Hey guys, this is Zia, and for today's episode, we're going to bake vanilla cupcakes. You will need Here are the materials needed. Let's get started! Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. At medium speed, cream the butter and sugar together for about 6 minutes until the butter lightens in color. Add vanilla and eggs, one at a time, beating after each addition for about 1 minute. Let's set that aside. Next, sift the flour, baking powder, and salt together. Now at low speed, add the dry ingredients in 3 stages, alternating with milk. Do not overmix the batter. Line the cupcake tin with your cupcake liners. Filling it with 2/3 of the liner. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. Whip your whipping cream and pipe frosting on your cupcakes. You may also add color to your whipped cream. do the toothpick test. When your toothpick comes out clean, it means that your cupcakes are good to go. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!